8 सेक्शन 8 द हिंदू मैरिज एक्ट 1955 सेक्शन 8 कहता है रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ द हिंदू मैरिज 8 सब 8 क्लोज 1 यानी सेक्शन क्लोज 1 फॉर द पर्पज ऑफ द फैसिलिटेटिंग द proof of the Hindu marriage the state government may make rule providing that the party to any such marriage may have the particular relating to their marriage entered in such manner and subject to such condition has may be prescribed in a Hindu marriage register kept for the purpose full stop. 2 subsection 2 8 clause subsection 2 notwithstanding anything containing in subsection 1 the state government may if it is of the opinion that it is necessary or expand expedient so as to so to do so to do provide that the entering of the particular referred to in subsection 1 shall be compulsory in the state or in any part thereof whether in all case or in such in case or in such हो गया case or in such हो गया case or in such case as may be specified and where any such direction has been issued any person contravening contravening any rule made in this behalf shall be punishable with fine which may extend to 25 rupees extend to 25 rupees. 3 all rule made under this section shall be led before the state legislature has soon as may be after they are made after they are made. 3 all rule made under this section shall be led before the state legislature has soon as may be after they are made. 4 the Hindu marriage register shall in the Hindu marriage register shall at all responsible time be open for inspection and shall be admissible or admissible has evidence of the statement therein contained and certified extract therefrom shall on application be given by the registrar registrar on payment to him of the prescribed fees full stop. 5 notwithstanding anything contained in this section, the validity of any Hindu marriage shall in no way be affected by the omission to make the entry. Full stop. Restitution of conjugal right and judicial separation. Judicial separation मतलब वैवाहिक अधिकारों और न्यायिक प्रतिकरण की बहाली होता है रेस्टिट्यूशन restitution restitution of conjugal right हो गया वैवाहिक अधिकार होता है conjugal right CONJUGAL conjugal right and judicial separation section 9 restitution of conjugal right when neither the husband or the wife has without reasonable excuse withdraw from the society of the other. The abrogated party may apply by petition to the district court for restitution of conjugal right and the court on being satisfied of the truth of the statement made in such petition and that there is no legal ground why the application should not be granted may degree degrees DECR degrees restitution of conjugal right accordingly full stop. explanation where a question rising whether there has been reasonable excuse reasonable excuse for withdrawal from the society. The burden of the proving reasonable excuse shall be on the person who has withdraw from the society. Withdraw from the society comment to give maternal obligation. maternal obligation. वैवाहिक दायित्व. MARITL maternal obligation. If a consent degree DECRW degrees for restitution of conjugal right under section 9 of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955 is passed, it will not be in a nullity. It will not be in a nullity. It will not be in a nullity. Nullity हो गया NULLIT nullity. Full stop. It is not in challenge in appeal. It is not challenge in appeal. If it is not challenge CHALLENZ challenge in appeal or by way of the other remedy. REMEDY remedy available under the law and become final. It cannot be ignored. It cannot be ignored. IGNORAD ignore and can form the basis of the divorce. DIVORC divorce proceeding under section 13 subclause A subclause 1 clause 13 clause 1 subclause A of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955. Saroj Rani Saroj Rani Varsi Surdarshan SUDARSH Surdarshan Kumar 1984. Surdarshan Kumar 1984. Reasonable exclusive where it is found that conduct of the husband created reasonable apprehension in mind of wife that is would be unsafe for her not be stay with husbands. The degrees DECRW degrees for the restitution of conjugal right in favor of the husband cannot be granted. Kamala Devi Kamala Devi Varsi Shiv Kumar Shiva Kumar Swami SWAME Swami AR 2003. Restitution degree. Restitution DECRW degrees limitation for obtaining a divorce in failure of the getting restitution of conjugal right even after a degree DECRE degree of spouse spouse to wait for 1 year spouse for 1 year wait for 1 year. Restitution degree हो गया DECRE degree limitation for obtaining a divorce DIVORC divorce on failure of the getting restitution of conjugal right even after a degree DECRW degree of spouse has to wait for 1 year. Spouse has to wait for 1 year. Thus, the restitution degree DECRW degrees and the second petition for DIVORC divorce might be silently more expeditious way for getting relief. Karbi Karabi Karbi Karbi Das Karbi Das versus Paritos Paritos Das AIR 2003 Karbi Das versus Paritos Paritos Das AIR 2003 restitution degree limitation. Restitution of conjugal right. In a petition for restitution of conjugal right alternative relief of the divorce DIVORC or C. Divorce cannot be claimed full stop. These prior are mutual destructive of each other and therefore cannot be made together. बलदेव राजवंशी बिमला शर्मा 2006 बलदेव राजवंशी बिमला शर्मा 2006 scope any law which would give in a exclusive right to the husband to decide upon the place of the matrimonial homes without considering the merit of the claim of the wife would be contrary to the article 14 and unconstitutional for reason शिवराज गर्ग वर्षी के एम गर्ग्स AI 1978 हो गया 1978 विड्रॉल विदाउट रीजनेबल एक्सक्यूसिव और just cause wife is under has obligation to live with her husband in these homes and under this proof expect in case of the distracting specified misconduct on the part of the husband full stop the material MARITL material obligation has been further buttressed by clear statutory recognition by section 9 of the Hindu Marriage Act. कैलासावती बनाम अयोध्या प्रकाश केस अयोध्या KAILASH कैलाशवती हो गया WATI वटी वसी अयोध्या AYODHI अयोध्या PARKASH प्रकाश 1977 सेक्शन 10 जुडिशल सेपरेशन सेक्शन 10 हो गया जुडिशल सेपरेशन Section 10 clause 1 either party be a marriage whether solemnized solemnized before or after the commencement of this act may be present a petitioner praying for a degree degree for judicial separation on any of the grounds specified in subsection 1 of the section 13 and in the case of a wife also on any of the grounds specified in subsection 2 thereof has ground on which a petition for divorce might have been presented to where a degree of judicial separation has been passed, it shall not longer be obligatory for the petitioner to cohabit with the respondent, but the court may on the application be petition of neither party and on being satisfied of the truth of the statement made in such petition rescind RESC and rescind the degree DECRE degree if it consider it just and reasonable to do so consideration by court decision desertion or nullity of the management at divorce section 11 void marriage section 11 क्या है void marriage any marriage solemnized after the commencement of this act shall be null and void and may on a petition presented by neither party thereto against the other party be so declared by in a degree of the nullity if it contravenes any one of the conditions specified in clause 145 of section 5 हो गया कमेंट हो गया और सेक्शन 12 हो गया voidable marriage सेक्शन 12 क्या हो गया voidable marriage 1 any marriage solemnized whether before or after the commencement of this act shall be voidable and may be nulled by a degree of nullity on any of the following ground nullity of the following ground हो गया degree of nullity nullity of the following ground हो गया डिग्री ऑफ द नलिटी ऑफ द फ्लोइंग ग्राउंड हो गया, नलिटी ऑफ द डिग्री ऑफ द फ्लोइंग ग्राउंड, नलिटी ऑफ द डिग्री ऑफ द फ्लोइंग ग्राउंड हो गया, नलिटी ऑफ द डिग्री ऑफ द फ्लोइंग ग्राउंड, नलिटी ऑफ द डिग्री, नलिटी ऑफ द डिग्री ऑफ द फ्लोइंग ग्राउंड।